What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now, I am in my hometown in McGehee, Arkansas, and I wanted to give you a small update. If you are in the Arkansas area and you are looking for a field welding job, Little Rock is hiring bridge welders. All you have to have is a 3G cert, or you can get your certifications on 3/8 plate in the vertical position. If you can do that and you're able to do that, then there's a great opportunity for you. They are furnishing certain equipment, certain things you're going to need to do the job. But you can get good money now if you can get certified. And if you are not certified or you're thinking about learning welding and you want to jump into it, I teach welding independently. I can help you get certified. You can come through my course and you can actually learn the skill to get these jobs as they pop up, because you know what they say: proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. So if you prepare properly now, when a good opportunity comes, you won't get left behind. Hog on.